This tutorial will show you how to make changes to your ratings. PalmTech gives you the ability to edit the ratings to customize them however you want. You can add in new ratings, delete ratings, or rename the default ratings. To edit the ratings, go up to Edit, click on Ratings, click on Default, and click Edit. We are now looking at the Edit Rating screen. In the top right corner, you have the Rating Set disclaimer. By default, this disclaimer will show up at the top of the definitions section on your printed report. On the left, we have a list of the different ratings that we're currently using. By default, PalmTech program comes with the ratings of acceptable, not present, not inspected, marginal, defective, and not applicable. Each rating has its own properties to the right of it. These properties include the rating name, the abbreviation, the rating color, and the explanation. The rating color is the color of the notes that print on a line with this rating. A common example is any line marked defective will have the notes show up in red. The explanation is the definition of that particular rating. Next, we have a series of checkboxes. The first is for not present, the second is for not applicable, the third is not inspected. Next, we have use value for scoring. This is an option that is not typically used by home inspectors, so you should leave it unchecked. The checkbox include as being inspected for required edits means that when edit checks are performed, any requirements of that item have been considered. Acceptable is the only rating that has this checked. Required note means if this rating is checked, you need to have a note entered for that item to be considered complete on completeness checks. The last checkbox is for Create Summary. You should check this box for any rating that you want to have a summary created for. With this, you can have a summary disclaimer, which will show at the top of the summary page. Let's go ahead and make a few changes. To edit a current rating, click on the rating, and then you can change the name. Change the abbreviation and any other information. To add a rating, click on Add a Rating and type in the information. And for this one, we'll have it require a note and create a summary of the items marked with this rating. You can also move the ratings in the list, left-click and hold, and put it where you would like it. The not applicable rating should always be the last in the list. You can make as many changes as you would like. Once you are done, click Close, and then Close again. A message pops up, which means you have to start a new inspection for the changes to the ratings to take effect. It won't change the current inspection or any inspections you've already done. Click OK and start a new inspection. Click on a category and the ratings, and you can see our new rating changes have taken effect. This concludes the Edit Rating Sets tutorial.